Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Patil. I am from Kolhapur. Today's date is 19 December 2022. Today we will discuss about exception handling in Java. So first of all, see what is Java exception. When executing Java code, different errors occurs, such as coding errors made by programmer, errors occurs due to wrong inputs or other unforeseeable things. When an error occurs, Java will normally stop and generate an error message. The technical term for this is Java will throws an exception. An exception can occur for many different reasons. Now we'll see some of them. First one is wrong data entered by the user. Second one is a file that needs to be opened cannot be found. Third one is a network connection has been lost in the middle of communication or JVM has run out of memory. Now we'll see the main point is our topic is exception handling. Java exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, or remote exception. Now we'll see the types of JVM Java exception or exceptions. There are mainly two types of Java exception. First one is a built-in exception and second one is a user-defined exception. First we see the built-in exception. Built-in exception are exceptions that are available in Java libraries. These exceptions are suitable for explain certain errors situation. The types of built-in exceptions are checked, unchecked, and error. First, we see the checked exception. Checked exceptions are called compile time exception because these exceptions are checked at compile time by the compiler. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. I will see the unchecked exception. These exceptions are just opposite to the checked exception. The compiler will not check this exception at the compile time. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array out of bound exception, etc. Now we'll see the example of that. If we declare an error of size 5 in our program and trying to call sixth element in the array, then the error occurs, which is error out of bound exception. Now we'll see the error. The error these are not exception or at all, but programs that arise beyond the control of user or programmer. Errors is irreversible. Some examples are out of memory error, virtual machine error, is etc. Now we'll see the user-defined exceptions. Sometimes the built-in exceptions in Java are not able to describe certain situations. In such cases, user can also create exception, which is called as user-defined exceptions. Now we'll see the advantage of an exception handling in Java. The first one is a easy identification program code and error handling code. Second one is a meaningful error reporting, and third one is identifying the error types. Now we'll see how to program handle an exception. Java provides 5 keywords that are used to handle exceptions, which are first one is a try, second one is a catch, third one is a throw, fourth one is a throws, and last one is a finally. Now we'll see the first one is a try. The try keyword is used to specify a block where we should place an exception code. Uh, it means we cannot try to block alone. The try block must be followed by the either catch or finally. Now we'll see the second one is the catch. The catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be proceeded by the try block, which means we cannot use the catch block alone. It can it can be followed by the final block later. I will see the final block. The final block is used to execute the necessary code of the program. It executes where an exception is handled or not. And the fourth one is a throw. The throw keyword is used to throw the exception. And the last one is a throws. The throws keyword is used to declare exception. It specifies that there may occurs an exception in the method. It does not throws an exception. It always used to with method signature. This is all about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.